What cyber roles currently exist today but will significantly change or be removed in the next 1 to 5 years from now?
Any roles that would require tedious kind of work or repetitive type of work. So yeah, I think security analyst would be one of the roles.
I see pen testing and red teaming being taken over by AI and being automated by AI processes.
Anything that has manual operations. So any role that has like very manual, repetitive things that you have to do consistently over and over again with the chance for human error, that will no longer be here.
Definitely. Junior security roles, especially in operation-based roles, are going to be turned into the most AI workflows.
The GRC function would fundamentally change in the next 3 to 4 years. That's because of the whole domain of GRC engineering, which is becoming more and more popular.
I think it's going to be a cybersecurity analyst because of all the tools that they use today are relatively manual, and it's all moving to basically AI-based work.
Like anything that requires just the same repetitive task over and over and over, I think you're done.
I would say tier 1 security analyst. The biggest impact to me is like what you're responsible for is getting, there's a longer list, and we're seeing fewer of those entry-level roles.
Well, I think the entire help desk and remediation area is going to completely change operational technology and how we fix things.